Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure the basics are met. Your PC is powered, you can type, and you can access quick settings. Once done, open the Action Center with WinPlus or go to Settings Network and Internet Airplane Mode. You're checking both places because sometimes the toggle differs between system and manufacturer utilities. Make sure any pending updates aren't forcing a restart. They can lock networking. Now locate the airplane mode toggle so you're ready to change it. Next, turn airplane mode off. Click the toggle in Action Center or in Settings and watch for the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth icons to reappear. If you use Ethernet, unplug and replug the cable to force a reconnection. If you use Wi-Fi, manually enable it after the airplane toggle. If the toggle refuses to change state, open Device Manager and look under Network Adapters. Disable then re-enable the adapter to reset drivers. This step addresses software locks and driver hiccups that block normal toggles. To finish, verify you can see available networks and connect to one. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth icons are active. If connectivity fails, restart the PC first. That clears transient issues. Once restarted, run the built-in Network Troubleshooter via Settings Network and Internet Troubleshoot. It automates common fixes. If problems persist, update or reinstall network drivers in Device Manager or roll back recent driver changes. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different user account to rule out profile corruption before doing deeper resets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.